lesson for my class today is about the cell model. So my kids will be creating a cell model, and we made it out of this gel. So I got this from Flynn here, and it looks like this one. And then we gonna melt this, and my students will create their own 3D model of the cell, be it a plant cell or an animal cell. So this is what the gel look like, guys. So you have to melt them, and my kids will just create their own model out of anything, and then later on I'll show you what my kids will be doing and how creative they will be, and see you later.
That's the problem with pouring stuff in.
Arrange.
This is, do I just do what I'm like doing? Okay, this is the cell membrane, this is the rough ER and the ribosomes, and then this is the nucleus, what, how do you say that word? Nucleotis? Nucleus, no. It's not nucleus, nucleolus.
It's inside the
Okay,
nucleus.
and this is the,
Ribosomes.
no, I already said ribosomes. Yeah, this is the smooth ER, and what else? That's it.
Don't break it.
Okay, this is our cell gel, and this is the gel is the cytoplasm. This is the Golgi apparatus, the rough ER, the smooth ER, the ribosomes, the nucleus, and the nucleus membrane.